Hey, it's Alex Bell again, and if you stream on Twitch, you know the hard part. You go live, bring your best energy, talk to chat, and still, the follower count barely moves. New streamers can feel unseen. That's why today, we'll look at the top 5 services for buying Twitch followers in 2026 and see which one feels more trustworthy. At number 5, we have Media Mister. It is known by many creators and works across many platforms. Helpful, but a little broad if your main focus is Twitch. At number 4, UseViral. It is simple and popular for social growth. Still, new streamers should check the details before buying. At number 3, SocialWick. It feels fast and easy to understand. But speed is not everything when your channel trust matters. At number 2, StreamFollower. This one feels more focused on Twitch creators. It can be a clean option if you want something simple. First of all, buying followers is a real strategic trick that helps attract and engage a real audience and build a real community. Think of it as a small support or starting push. But number 1, and the main goal here, is FollowersPanda. FollowersPanda feels like a magical doorway for new streamers who need an easy but strong start. And that's exactly what it provides. You can see it as a fast and easy-to-use platform for increasing average retention and boosting social proof. What makes FollowersPanda stand out is its trust value. You do not just want numbers. You want growth that feels safe, smooth, and reliable. So, legit or scam? My answer is simple. Do your checks, start small, and keep making good content. But if I had to choose one service to look at first, I would choose FollowersPanda. Now I'll show you how to buy Twitch followers from the FollowersPanda website, step by step. So you can see exactly how it works in real time, taking you from 0 followers to a much higher count in just a few minutes. First, we will head over to Google and type FollowersPanda into the search bar. Click on the first link in the search results to open their website. Once you are on the homepage, click on the Buy Twitch Followers button. As you scroll through the page, you will notice they offer a wide variety of packages, scaling all the way up to 10,000 followers, depending on exactly what you need for your channel. Taking a look at their exclusive features, FollowersPanda has been in the market since 2019. They offer instant delivery, typically processing everything within 60 seconds. They also provide 100% real followers, meaning the accounts have actual names and profile photos rather than looking like standard bot accounts. In this tutorial, we will select the 100 followers package. Click on Buy Now, and then simply copy the username of the Twitch account you want to grow. Paste that username right into the designated box. Next, paste your email address, make sure to agree to the terms and conditions, and click Proceed to checkout. Now it is time to verify your account. Open your email inbox and look for an OTP sent by FollowersPanda. Copy that code, paste it back into the website, create a secure password for your account, and click Proceed to checkout once more. You will then see 3 payment options available: credit card via Stripe, PayPal, and crypto. For this demonstration, I have already added $100 to my wallet balance. I will just refresh the page to show that the funds are available. Now, simply click on Pay with Wallet to finalize the transaction. Your order is now successful. If you click on View Order, you will see it is marked as pending, but it processes in less than a minute. Let's check back on the Twitch account to see the results. After a quick refresh, the follower count has already jumped to 148. Let's refresh it one more time, and as you can see, the account now has 250 followers. So, yes. And that's how it works. The main thing to remember is that growth is not just about numbers, it's about building something that feels real and trustworthy. Additionally, on FollowersPanda, you can chat with real human agents through 24/7 live support, where you can get useful tips, tricks, guidance, and professional assistance whenever you need it. If you're a new streamer, start small, understand the process, and always keep creating good content for your audience. I hope this video helped you get a clearer idea of the top options available in 2026. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.